Today's session is about conscious breathing, and it's really inspired by the Vietnamese monk Thich Nhat, who passed away last year. But his works and his teachings, I find them quite secular and they are quite applicable in learning how to deal with day-to-day distress, learning how to respond more skillfully to what's going on in our lives. And so in all our practices, I know I say this many times, but I'll just repeat them again. You can do them sitting, standing, lying down, just doing what's comfortable for you. And of course, you can shift your posture, just mindfully doing it, being mindful of the decision to move or to, just get a glass of water. It's fine. So it's not a boot camp where you must absolutely stay still. Closing the eyes or just turning away and looking outside the window, something pleasant in your room. So coming to a posture that works for you. If you're sitting, we would usually recommend sitting as upright as possible, inviting a sense of dignity, embodying a sense of dignity, respect for the moment, honoring the present moment. Shifting into a mindful zone, being aware, hey, here I am sitting or standing, listening to this recording, being aware of how I've placed my legs, my hands, how I'm standing, how I'm lying down, being very conscious of the body. Now the mind may get very busy, thinking, wondering, dreaming, judging. Very gently inviting the mind to just come back to the present moment, to feeling the body, to be in the here and now. Feeling the body mass as you're standing or sitting, or maybe stretching. Now becoming aware of the breath. The breath is the most elemental, most fundamental thing closest to us. Probably the first thing that we did when we were born, before learning to cry. So here I am sitting or standing or lying down, taking this in breath, and I'm taking this out breath. I'm breathing in with a pause and then breathing out. Whether fast or slow, I'm just noticing the breath coming in and the breath leaving the body. Nothing else, and just this. As the mind moves away, thinking about something, very firmly and gently escorting the mind back to breathing in and noticing the air leaving the body at the exhale. So breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. If it helps you stay anchored, each time you take a in breath, just say in. When you do an out breath, say out. Well, not needing to control the breathing, not needing to breathe in any particular way. Just follow what the body wants to do. You can also notice the pace of breathing. You can say, breathing in, my breath is slow. Breathing out, my breath is slow. And if you're noticing the mind is very restless, very impatient, you can say this, breathing in, restlessness. Breathing out, calmness. Breathing in, impatience. Breathing out, patience. Now, if you're feeling very judgmental, maybe judging yourself about something. I should be doing this, I should be doing that. I should be paying more attention. I should. So breathing in judgment, breathing out kindness. Now breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I release my tension, my stress. Breathing in kindness, I release my worries, my frustration with a smile. Breathing in, I'm in the present moment. Breathing out, I embrace this wonderful moment. This precious moment to be able to just sit or just stand. Simply just breathing and nothing else. Nowhere to go and nothing else to do. Just breathe. Maybe checking in the posture again, noticing how maybe you have moved. Maybe you've shifted the legs, the hands. Just checking in mindfully. As you're breathing in, breathing out. And another way to stay anchored. In breath 1, out breath 1. Counting in breath 2, out breath 2. Then repeating in breath 1, out breath 1. In breath 2, out breath 2. So consciously breathing in, noticing the gap, and breathing out. Feeling the in-breath and the out-breath. And if you happen to be struggling with the breath, maybe a blocked nose or a cold, doing the best you can. So no pushing, no rushing. Just showing up the best you can. Just showing up for the breath as best as you can. Now end this practice with this poem, or a short stanza by Thich Nhat. Breathing in, I have become space without boundaries. I have no plans left. I have no luggage. Breathing out, I am the moon that is sailing through the sky of utmost emptiness. I am freedom. So taking one beautiful breath in and a long exhale, breathing out kindness to yourself, non-judgment, well-wishing to yourself, the others in this Zoom space. Opening the eyes when you're ready. All the best and have a good rest tonight. Take care.